It's summertime, guys, and you know what that means, blender cocktails. Today we're going to be doing Julie Reiner's Banana Daiquiri. First thing we're going to do is a half an ounce of Demerara syrup. We're doing a 1-to-1 Demerara syrup today. Putting it into our blender. Then we are doing half an ounce of lime juice. Then we're going to peel this banana. And by peel it, I mean tear it apart. Then we're going to toss that in. We're going to do 1 ounce of Banane du Bresil. 1 ounce of white rum, 1 ounce Jamaican, we're doing Appleton Signature. All right, and then we're gonna give it a nice blend. Take our glass and we're gonna put our blender cocktail in there, blender daiquiri. I have a little bit of sugar in here. I put my banana in there and I'm just sort of tossing it around so it coats it nice and evenly. And then I'm gonna give it a little torch and caramelize the sugar on top. So there it is. Julie Reiner's Banana Daiquiri. Go get it. Blender cocktails this summer all the way.